Michael Bokrosh, Glass Restoration Studio. Here we have this gorgeous Eskimo on an ice sculpture by Steuben. This sculpture came into Bokrosh Studio with the guy here, the Eskimo, was off because the Steuben uses inferior adhesive and it yellows and gives out over time. So we straightened out the spear, which ended up getting crooked, and replaced the got rid of the old adhesive on the glass and on the solid silver Eskimo, and re-glued it. And that glue is good for decades and decades and decades. And then it had a scratch on the front here by the spear. Got rid of that, and had some severe chipping here on this facet here and on this one. And so I resculpted it, polished it, and resculpted down here, polished it, got rid of the scratch, and just did some cleanup. There were some other smudges and scratches over the years. And so this piece is completely restored, and my customer is extremely pleased to get this back and to be able to enjoy it. So it's a beautiful piece. Bokrosh Studio, glass restoration. Probably took about 6-8 weeks to do. Enjoy. Thank you.